Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload highest quality videos to YouTube using YouTube application in your Android phone or iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to your YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. First of all, open YouTube application. Remember one thing, you need internet connection to enable that highest quality uploads option. So in here at right bottom side, you will see your channel icon or your file icon. Click on this. Now in here at right top corner, you will see the settings icon. Click on the settings icon. Now in here, search for upload. Click on upload, then click on upload quality. By default, this option will be enabled 1080p. For example, you have a 4K footage and you want to upload that footage to YouTube using YouTube application and you do not enable the full quality. So YouTube application will compress that footage first to 1080p and then upload that video to YouTube. But after enabling this option, enable this full quality, now you can upload that 4K footage with that quality to YouTube. Now YouTube application will not compress your video to 1080p and directly upload that video. So I am using iPhone and I show you how you can do this. The same procedure you can follow on Android phone. So this was a quick video how you can upload highest quality videos using YouTube application to YouTube. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.